You pump the new tuber, and you have to match the tuber with the, and you have to put that stick thing. I see it. I see it already. Yeah. Figure that thing now, that gear, the shift gear, yeah? Like all that stockness, like everything good. We got it, gotta hold that. Gotta match that spring,
This is how it goes.
Oh yeah, that one, you have to match, you have to put it to the back spring, Yeah, that's the one, wait. Right there, wait. So you can fit in,
Yeah, sweet.
Yeah, like that, yeah, like that, like that, like that. Aha, yeah, so like, did it get in,
Almost.
Did it balance, right, yeah?
Yeah. Right there.
Oh, no, wait, did it balance inside? Wait.
There we go.
Yeah, I have to tighten, that's the tool. You got it fixed, hopefully.
I forgot how it goes, Chris.
Oh yeah, it's a lot of work, I know. It's a big challenge.
I'm gonna have to turn it upside down.
Like, and you have to hold it, I got it. I'll hold it,
Hold it up, Chris.
Yeah, hold it like you have to fit, like, you have to fix that chain again, like, Yeah, you have to use gloves to fix it, gloves to put it back, that must be the hard part to do, like, when you have to tighten these problems, like, well, like, you have to, like, figure it out, like, you have to, like, hold it, that chain gear finger. You have to, like, hold it back to its, to the big springs,